Stop right there. If you're manually copy pasting employee data from one column into separate columns, you're wasting hours of your life. I'm going to show you a trick that does it all under 60 seconds. Let's go. So here's what we are working with. Column A has our raw data. Everything is there. Now over in column C, D, E, and F, we have our nicely formatted headers. Employee ID, employee name, city, and contact number. The goal is to get each piece of data into the right column for all 20 rows. First things first, select all your raw data. Click on cell A2, hold Shift, and click the last row of your data. In our case, that's A21. You don't want to include the header row, just the actual data rows. Once you've got it all highlighted, we are ready to move. Now head up to the Data tab at the top of Excel, look along the ribbon and you'll find a button called Text to Columns. Click it. A wizard window will pop up. This is the Convert Text to Columns wizard. 3 simple steps. First, you'll see 2 options, delimited or fixed width. We want delimited because our data is separated by a specific character, which in our case is a comma. Make sure delimited is selected and then click Next. By default, Excel has tab ticked. We don't want tab, we want comma. So untick tab and tick comma. As soon as you tick comma, look at the preview window at the bottom of the wizard. Watch what happens. Boom. All your data has already been split into separate columns in the preview. Employee ID in the first column, name in the second, city in the third, contact number in the fourth. Excel has already figured it out. We just had to tell it what character separates the data. Now is where to put the split data. We have to select the destination. So you'll see a destination field. By default, it points back to column A. We don't want that because that would overwrite our raw data and then everything would become crazy. So we'll click onto the destination field and then cell C2 in our spreadsheet. That's where we want the first piece of data to land, right under our employee ID header. So now you can see the destination field will now show cell C2 with absolute formatting. Now click Finish. And there it is, every single row, all 20 employees perfectly separated across 4 columns. You can see column C, employee IDs, right from employee 0001 through to 0020. The employee names look James Woodfield, Charlotte, Pemberton, Oliver, Backwood. The cities in column E, London, Manchester, Birmingham, Edinburgh, Bristol. In column F, the contact numbers, all the UK mobile numbers clean and separate. From one messy column to 4 perfectly organized columns in about 30 seconds. No formulas, no macros, no manual copy paste, just data, text to columns, and done. Just one quick tip before we wrap up. Always, when you're working with such data, keep the original. It's always good to copy your raw data to another sheet as a backup. It's better safe than sorry. And that's it. One of the most underused features in Excel that can save you massive amount of time. If this helped you, smash that like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow. And if you want more Excel tricks like this, subscribe. We put out new videos regularly. Drop a comment below and let me know what's the messiest data situation you had to deal with in Excel. I'd love to turn your horror stories into future tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.